Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and it's already almost midnight of Monday. This is the evening of Sunday, June 9, and this is our weather analysis for today, June 9 to 11, 2024, Sunday to Tuesday. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now, let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat that we issued today. This is valid for the next 48 hours until Tuesday, and we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclones in sight for the next 5 to 10 days. It's still all clear, and right now we have a localized thunderstorms occurring in various sections of the country. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, so watch out for possible lightning strikes and flash floods, including landslides in low-lying areas and those along the slopes of volcanoes, mountains, including Canloan volcano. Please beware of possible surge of lahar flows, okay? Especially when there's a strong thunderstorm over your area in Negros. And here's the latest fast animation. So as you can see, we have here a surface trough that is trying to become a shallow LPA, but we are still observing this because some of the models are developing it into a very weak LPA as it moves closer towards northern Mindanao and Visayas. And we have here on the latest zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. It's already almost 12 midnight, and the thunderstorms over Luzon, particularly northern Luzon, is beginning to weaken as we move deeper into the nighttime. There are still some thunderstorms over Visayas and Mindanao. Over the Bicol region, we experienced a very strong thunderstorm around late in the afternoon to early evening, but now it's almost gone. And here's the area that we are observing. Its convection has diminished for the past 6 hours. And here's the latest pressure and wind forecast from the European model, valid for the next 3 days until Wednesday. So tonight, here's the trough that we are observing. Tomorrow afternoon, Monday, June 10. The trough, which may develop into a shallow LPA, is now moving closer towards the coastal waters of Surigao provinces. And on Tuesday afternoon, that area is along the coastal waters of Surigao provinces. And you can also see here the development of the southwesterly wind flow affecting the northern most parts of Luzon or extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes, Babuyan Group of Islands, and the coastal waters of Ilocos provinces. So here's the area that we are observing, but so far it's so weak, and it looks like it will weaken into a surface trough. And on Wednesday, Independence Day, June 12, the southwesterly wind flow will continue to affect the extreme northern parts of Luzon, while the rest of the archipelago will remain calm to variable winds, with some winds from the west over the Sulu archipelago blowing over the western sections of Visayas, while southerly to southeasterly winds will be expected as well. Will be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, including eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. And the shallow LPA is somewhere here, but it looks like it will weaken into a tropical wave or surface trough. by Wednesday, June 12. As for the rain forecast, this is the latest right now. It's almost 12 midnight. There are still some thunderstorms occurring over northern Luzon, but starting to dissipate. On Monday afternoon, we expect another round of thunderstorms to occur in various sections of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, becoming more frequent over Mindanao area and western Visayas. Tuesday afternoon, another round of thunderstorms will be expected over Visayas. This will be more frequent here, including Mindanao, because of the shallow LPA, which may weaken into a surface trough, or a surface trough becoming a shallow LPA. We're going to observe this in the coming days. This will be on Tuesday, June 11. Some thunderstorms will also be expected over northern and central Luzon, including Mindoro. And on Wednesday afternoon, June 12, Independence Day here in the Philippine Islands, expect some decreased thunderstorm activity across Visayas, Mindanao, Sulu Archipelago, but increasing thunderstorm activity over northern and central Luzon. So if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast, most of the thunderstorms are located over northern and central Luzon, Mindoro, Calamian Group of Islands, and it will be more intense over Visayas and Mindanao because of the passage of a surface trough or a shallow LPA. So that will be expected within the next 3 days until Tuesday or Wednesday. And before we leave you, here's the latest wave forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So this evening, Sunday evening, Monday, Tuesday until Wednesday, Independence Day, June 12, the waves across the coastal waters of the Philippine Islands will remain light to calm, or calm to light. As you can see here, over the East Philippine Sea, it will remain around 1 meter, while over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, across the Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea, it will be calm to up to 0.2 meter. It's still quite very weak, okay? While over the West Philippine Sea, wave heights will be from 0.5 or 0.4 up to a little bit more than 1 meter in wave height. So this is suitable for fishing and sea travel, okay? So there you go. That's the latest for this Sunday until Tuesday, and we will return likely on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather here in the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.